One of my favorite desserts is a blackberry cobbler. Oh, I just love them. Last summer, we had more blackberries than we knew what to do with. So I made this easy rustic blackberry cobbler. I want to show you how to do it. One of my favorite desserts in the summer around here is a blackberry cobbler. A simple, delicious dessert. Well, not just the summer. I have to say, we freeze our blackberries and we use them in cobblers and pies throughout the entire year. Now, here at the farm, we grow lots of different varieties of blackberries, even a thornless one, which you might consider for your own garden. The fruits are really quite large. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm taking a pie crust. You can make your own, or you can buy one that's pre-made. I'm using a pre-made pie crust here, and I'm basically cutting it into 4 pieces. And I want to show you what I'm going to do with these 4 pieces of pie crust. I'm taking a 5-ounce ramekin. I've used a spray oil in there, and I'm taking the pie crust and I'm just very loosely lining it. Well, when I say loosely lining it, I mean I'm letting the crust hang over the edge like that. So we're going to fold that over. What I like is a really good crust to berry to juice ratio. So often cobblers don't have enough crust to suit me, but this recipe certainly does. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of these ready. Now with the ramekin lined, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these blackberries, and these are some that we grew last year and we froze. I'm just going to fill that almost full. Remember, they're going to create a lot of juice, so it's just about to the edge there. Then what I do is I take a couple tablespoons of sugar, or about a tablespoon and a half really. Just going to put in the top, and then just a pinch of salt and a pinch of orange zest. Orange is your secret ingredient here. And then just a teaspoon of either orange juice, or I like to use triple sec. All right, let all that seep in there together, and then just gently fold the crusts up and over like this. And pinch it, hold together. I like a really sort of wild and wacky top on them. Then you just take a little bit of butter and brush on the top of the crust, and then I like to take a little bit of that sugar and sprinkle on it, and it's ready to go into the oven. Now, in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, what you want to do is you want to leave them in there for 35 to 45 minutes, and that's what they look like. You can grow berries in so many different places. You can grow them in a garden, raised beds, even in containers on your back patio. But best of all, they're great in recipes like this.